The best gaming laptops are changing every year. The early days of mobile gaming were largely desktop replacements, clunky chassis, multiple power bricks, and RGB lighting galore. But the top contenders now are different. Manufacturers are finally putting powerful specs in sleeker, more portable, and more professional builds. They have excellent, fast refreshing screens that are necessary for a great gaming experience. These laptops aren't just great for gaming, but for everyday work as well. The best gaming laptop of 2021 is the Asus ROG Zephyrus G15. It can handle the most demanding games on the market today and also makes a great daily driver. We'll be updating this page regularly as the best gaming laptops hit shelves throughout this year. Some exciting updates are on the way. AMD and Nvidia have announced their next-gen series of mobile processors and mobile graphics cards, the Ryzen 5000 series and the GeForce RTX 3000 series, respectively, and we're already seeing them in premium gaming laptops across manufacturers. Asus's ROG Zephyrus G15 was our top gaming laptop pick for quite a while. It did just about everything right, and we weren't sure whether Asus could ever replicate its resounding success. But somehow, the company managed to make the G14 just a bit bigger, and a heck of a lot better. In doing so, it's created the ROG Zephyrus G15, the best 15-inch rig you can buy. At just over £4, the Zephyrus G15 is one of the lightest 15-inch gaming laptops you can buy. But you're not making any compromises on performance for that portability. It's powered by the top mobile chips that AMD and Nvidia have to offer, and includes a fast 165Hz QHD, 1440p, display. Together, those components can handle even the toughest AAA titles at QHD resolution. The panel has excellent color reproduction as well, so your games will look great. But it's not just the gaming, almost everything else about the G15 is great, too. The audio, pumped from a 6-speaker array, has strong percussion and bass, the keyboard and touchpad have a satisfying click, the port selection leaves little to be desired, and the battery can last for a whopping 8.5 hours. The G15 won't be the laptop for everyone. There's no webcam, which is a significant oversight, and some may prefer something more affordable, or with a flashier aesthetic. But as a package, the G15 is the one to beat. Not only is it the best gaming laptop you can buy, but it's also one of the best laptops you can buy, period. The Blade Pro 17 delivers some of the best gaming performance you can find in a laptop, but that's not even its superpower. What makes Razer's 17-inch flagship so impressive is it packs that unbelievable power into a thin and attractive chassis. It's just 0.8 inches thick and only requires one charging brick, so you can carry it around in a backpack or briefcase without compromising on power. Gaming enthusiasts can opt for a model with a 300Hz screen, the highest refresh rate you can get on a laptop, while the folks who want to combine gaming with some creative work can opt for a 120Hz touchscreen configuration. Both models come with a customizable per-key RGB keyboard, which adds a touch of color to the Pro's design without being too obnoxious for the office. The Blade Pro 17 certainly isn't cheap, but it's the laptop to buy if you want the best of the best. ROG Zephyrus G15 is the best 14-inch gaming laptop you can buy. We most recently reviewed last year's model, which includes AMD's Ryzen 4000 series up to the 8-core Ryzen 9 4900HS and an Nvidia RTX 2060 GPU. There's a brand new model out featuring the Ryzen 5000 series and Nvidia's RTX 30 series graphics, which we're looking forward to getting our hands on ASAP. For well under $2,000, the Zephyrus crams one of the most powerful mobile processors on the market into a super portable 14-inch chassis. With capable cooling to boot, the laptop delivers frame rates we've never seen in a laptop of this size before. It handled every game we threw at it without breaking a sweat. But aside from its excellent gaming performance, the G14 makes a great daily driver. The keyboard, touchpad, display, and port selection are all excellent. Even the battery life is good, something we almost never get to say about gaming laptops. The Dell G15 SE offers a great gaming experience at a price range far below that of many competitors. You can buy it for around $1,000, and it doesn't ask too many compromises for that price. While it only comes with a 60Hz screen, the hardware inside, especially AMD's Ryzen 7 processor, is capable of maxing that out on all kinds of demanding games at native 1080p resolution, so you can reliably expect a playable experience from your favorite titles. We're also impressed by the G5's connectivity. It includes a mini display port, an HDMI, and an Ethernet jack, all ports you don't see every day on laptops at this price point. Overall, if you're looking for great value for your money, the G5 is your best bet.
backlight, which makes gaming experience pretty fun. I have owned this laptop for some months, and though it's a great laptop, it also has some few downsides I would like to talk about. First is the price. It's about $1,200+ with the specs stated in this video. It sometimes heats a lot when under pressure, and for the last part, it weighs about 5.1 pounds, which makes it a bit heavier when carrying around. So that's it for now. There's more we can talk about concerning this laptop, but let's just end it here and talk again about it